Oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen I fought for my fort fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Uh, Today we're going to continue our trading journey on the financial market, and we're using investing.com as our charting services. And we have three different signals to provide us and guide us along. We got also the Bollinger Line here, and the MACD and the RSI. In order to be able to get these signals on your platform, you click up here, indicators. I mean, click on indicator, and you choose your signal provider or tools that you want to use to guide you along. And in this case, we clicked on Bollinger Band, which is this one. Scroll down to see MACD. We'll click on MACD. We'll bring this up, this indicator, and also stochastic, which is the bottom one, RSI, to give us all our preference indicator to help us gauge the market. They all seems to be going in the perfect directions, which suggests also when they all reach up to the resistance line that the market's going to come down. But if it makes a breakthrough, very rarely, but I think in this case it's just going to hit the support line. Let me draw the support line, click on this line, grab it, put it down on your screen to see you. That's the resistance line. It's hit it. I don't think it's going to make a breakthrough. Then we're going to make a trade now also. Since we've seen that, perfect timing, a sell trade. All been major parts of guidance to be able to read the market as we trade on a daily basis. And we're using gold against the USD as a basic model, as a basic asset pair. Now let's have a look at the results so far. Now today's date is on the 14th of May 2025, and these are trades, as you can see here on the date, that was put up on the 12th, 13th of May, 14th. That's yesterday, of course, and some today. Now, as you can also notice that most of them are on the positive side. They're already on the money in a sense. So this is the reality I wanted to show you there. What you purchase sometimes, as long as your balance has got enough money there to carry it through, because the market does fluctuate, it goes up and down until such a time when the market comes in your favor, and all your open trades will be in a positive note. All because you are reading a chart to a certain degree and realize and understand the market will move in that degree somewhere along in the near future. And this was already, as I said, a few days ago that I put them up. Now I'm going to close these trades as a result of all those open trades that was made then and take the profit. The total profit there, it's $3,671,101, and this account was already started at $1 million. And currently our outlay, or money that's exposed or risked, is 185,934. It's around about 10%, probably not much, in line with our total account balance of 3 million, of course. So this is money management. I'm not outlaying all my account balance into any risk or trade. A right proportion of money at risk. So let's close these trades and show the reality of what's all these practices about. What is all this reading charts providing in pure profits with our trading results? And of course, as I said, the trading results, it's been phenomenal. Huge profits been made, and this account was only started with a balance of $1 million in March, I think March or April of this year, which is only a few months back. So it's grown dramatically just using these strategies, money management, and using these charting services that, as I'm showing here, to guide us into the future of the market. That's very important. Now, do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube video, like my YouTube video, and every day then you're going to get a ping on your side that I made another video, and would you like to have a look at it? And I'm showing you pretty simple ideas how to take advantage of the financial markets without blowing your account. And it's pretty simple, really. Very, very simple. You need to be able to do the practice first. These results only come because I've been practicing consistently. Practice. Where in the past I've been blowing a lot of my account. Every account I opened, I would blow it apart because I didn't know how to read the market. But these days, I'm not saying I'm an expert, but relatively, it has come in my favor greatly. The results are phenomenal. In any of the trade that's got a minus on it, that means it's off the money. In any other one that's nothing on the side, pure profit. So I wanted to show you the video before I close the trades. But before I do that, let me show you the history so far. These are some of the trades that have been taken. Profit margin, 100,000 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 200,000 profit in that trade. Also, that's why it was a 20 volume trade. Of course, it would be. The volume that I trade fluctuates, as you can see, from 6 volume, 10, 5, 20. It was a big one, 6, 10, 6, 6. Those are the very earlier one, which was the 3rd of April. Now, if we go down to today, see, I've made a lot of trade in that short space of time, which shows why this account has really just taken off. Most of these trades are all on the money. I'd say 99% of the trades are on the money. Now and again, I would probably close the trade on a loss for some reasons, but majority of them has been absolutely been on the money. So let's get on with it. See the market's coming down, and it's time to close these trades accordingly. That's exactly what also investing.com is showing. Let's go to 1 hour. Investing.com also said the market is going down. That's their indicator. And indeed it has, and it's time to take the profit. So let's continue with that, taking a profit or closing the trades anyway. And this is the beauty of trading. 6,400 there, closed. 13,700 there, money in the bank. Another 14,000, nearly 15,000 there, closed. Money in the bank, 9,000. Money in the bank, 7,000 there, 3,000. 2,500. There we go. That's a fair amount of trade won in that short session and period. Hold on, what was it? 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. It will go back to the time when it was opened. It won't show me exactly. But anyway, reading charts and making trades. Now, if I make some more trades now, just to give an idea how simple it is, it can be. That's a 1 minute time frame, and it's done up here. I'm going to look at that slightly longer time frame. Okay, now we can see clearly now why it has done that. Now, if I draw a line across there, that's the reason why. Give that a bit more oomph. Give it red. So it stands out. Probably the reason why the market came down. It came down to these points where it's been before. Now it's got to get to a stage where it will come and hit this support line, and we're going to have to watch, will it rebound or if it make a breakthrough and continue going downwards as a bearish market. And to a certain degree, it is showing to continue on the bearish market. And it might do exactly the same similarity as this leg here. So we're going to have to watch the time being anyway when it reaches the support line, because it can easily change directions, and that's what we've got to watch for. So while I'm going to make these trades, I'm going to bear in mind that possibility in the near future. But in this case, it's a sure. I think, oh, hold on. It can easily get caught here too. But I'm going to open up a buy trade at free volume, and there's a trade being made. And you can see it's pretty good. 1, 2, 3. It hit the support line. I'm just going to keep an eye on it. If it makes a bigger breakthrough, then I'm going to swap my trades to a sell positions. Fairly stable. In that case, I'm going to change my volume to say 6 and make another purchase. Okay, already has shown that. But anyway, that's how easy to gauge the market. Put your trade down, follow the market. Don't try and gum against the market, but follow the market. I'm following the market, just using its historical movement to give me all these great trades. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube video, like my YouTube video, and you'll get more of these how to trade successfully so you can make a lot of money. Subscribe. There's a link below this video to join VT market and start your journey making money on stock market. And this is all done at home with your computer or your laptop, and you don't have to be a professional to do so. Now, I do also suggest demo account first before you put your real money in. And if you do put your real money in, trade only 10% off your total account. So if you put $1 million there, only trade 100,000. So 900,000 is just sitting there. Anyway, Stephen, I fought for my fourth fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. See you on my next video. Bye for now.